In this video, I'm going to show you how to scroll in Lucidspark quickly and easily, whether you're using a mouse, a trackpad, or the spacebar shortcut. If you've ever felt stuck on a huge whiteboard and couldn't move around the canvas smoothly, this tutorial is going to save you a lot of time. I'll walk you through each method step by step so you can pan, zoom, and navigate your Lucidspark board with confidence. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this one. Let's jump in. First, let's talk about using a mouse. The easiest way to move around in Lucidspark is by right-clicking and dragging. To do this, go to a blank area of the canvas, press and hold the right mouse button, then move your mouse in any direction. This lets you pan across the board without needing to use scroll bars or zoom buttons constantly. It's a fast way to explore large boards, especially if you're working with sticky notes, diagrams, or planning layouts spread out across the canvas. Now, if you want to zoom in or out with your mouse, use the scroll wheel along with your keyboard shortcut. On many systems, holding Ctrl or Spacebar while rolling the mouse wheel will zoom you in and out. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. This is really useful when you want to get a closer look at one section of the board or step back to see the bigger picture. If one shortcut doesn't work exactly the same on your device, try the other common Lucidspark navigation shortcut until you find the one that matches your setup. Next, let's look at using a trackpad. If you're on a laptop, this method is probably the most natural. Place 2 fingers on your trackpad and swipe up, down, left or right to move around the Lucidspark board. This 2-finger gesture acts like panning, so you can smoothly scroll across different areas of your workspace. It's simple, quick, and great for everyday use. For zooming on a trackpad, use the pinch gesture. Pinch 2 fingers together to zoom out and spread them apart to zoom in. This gives you precise control over how much of the board you want to see. If you're trying to organize a big brainstorming session or review a flowchart, this gesture makes navigation feel much more fluid. Now, for one of the most universal shortcuts in Lucidspark, the spacebar plus click method. This is a great option if you want a keyboard-assisted way to move around the canvas. First, press and hold the spacebar on your keyboard. Once you do that, your cursor should change into a hand icon. That hand icon tells you that you're in pan mode. While holding the spacebar, click and drag with your mouse to move around the board in any direction. This method is especially helpful if you want to navigate large canvases without constantly switching tools. It works really well when you need a quick, reliable way to scroll across the workspace and keep your hands moving efficiently between keyboard and mouse. If you're working in a collaborative board, this shortcut can help you stay focused while you move between sections. So to quickly recap, if you want to scroll in Lucidspark, you can right-click and drag with a mouse, use 2 fingers on a trackpad, or hold the spacebar and click-drag to pan around the board. And for zooming, use the scroll wheel or pinch gestures depending on your device. Once you get used to these shortcuts, navigating Lucidspark becomes much faster and much easier. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.